5 reasons for an upcoming content creators and the existing one not growing. Number one, the spirit of drinking alcohol. Let me use the word alcohol. If you involved yourself too much into drinking, having alcohol too much, it will definitely disturb you, because this word content creating is beyond your imagination, because you have to work with your brain set. This brain cannot work when you overstress him. When you don't too stress the brain no go work. The brain needs place where at least if you calm yourself down, if you give your brain a just cool tempo, as in just day on a normal way wey e suppose dey, you sleep, you wake up for morning, you go see how calm your brain go dey. It will help you. But when you wake up in the morning, you don consume alcohol, take things and things wey you suppose take, then you expect to think well. No, you cannot think well, you cannot come up with a good content. There is no possible means, because that time now your head sef I can't be saying na for morning wey you wake up, your head sef e go dey think left right, everything matters complicated. You cannot come up with good results. No mind some people go say if dem drink na that time dem dey think straight, or if dem smoke na that time dem dey think straight. No, check your content when you do, when you no take anything alcohol, when you no take anything wey go tostigate you. Then fall back now to content wey you think out of alcohol and something wey go tostigate you. Bring the two content now, place am like this now, watch this one, watch this one. See the one wey dey good and see the one wey go pass message, because definitely this content creating na for you. Anything wey you do na message e dey pass. See how e go dey good. Number two, you must stop humanizing. If you are a man, then for a lady, you go stop to dey waka from one man to another, because most times it doesn't help. If that time you need to put yourself together, calculate yourself together. If na man, that girl, that person wey you dey with, by that time na him go dey bring discussion wey no dey relevant, and you need to respond. You need to interact with her. If that particular time now you no wan put your head together, you go dey come with different talk. Maybe na that time wey some girls dem wey like pets, na that time you wan make you dey pet am. By that time your brain no go dey stable. Maybe that time after na normally enjoyment una go wan enjoy, your brain e go don go rest. That day don go totally without you coming up with any idea at all. Likewise to the woman too. You don go this guy don call you, you don go hang out with this guy, you don dey with am too. Then that time wey you wan just rest, the guy go tap you, babe how far, how e dey be? Bring series of engagement, interaction wey una two go dey talk. You cannot think well. You cannot think straight, because definitely you need to be focused in that particular thing you are doing. Number three, stop having affair with your partner you are using in work. Let me put it that way. If you content creator will say yes, maybe they take advantage of anybody when you call come on set, make him come work with you. Then later on, you can't go back, use one or two sweet talks, sweet maths to get anything to do with that girl. If na the prestige where you ain't be whole, you be there like this, definitely drop. Because anything intimate one or two don't do. If una don't reach location to shoot, now you get the content, you tell her what to do. Now, if she's not being professional, or if she no come that mindset now, she go want do am like say maybe na based on last time we on the phone on I don't get. You get a find way to talk into her. You go stress yourself. At the end, you might not end up getting results. Same things too, boils down to the female aspect. No be because of say you don't try you see one of your guys that way they on funds, way they on money, you won't use their place or you won't use the guy, shoot your content, then the guy can't ask you out, then you can't go give yourself so cheap. The day where you try him, you no get respect, you no get value for yourself. The day you go call that guy, probably him go dey now with another girl. If you call her now, he go dey give you excuse. I did this or I travel or one thing or the other. Maybe you don't already vision that content towards her, towards the direction. That is a bad. Number 4, this particular one, I don't will go touch your mind. You must be focused. If you are not focused, you person will say you go here, you dey miss your way. You can never grow. You get some content creators will say, yes, they don't see and say yes, their account don't they monetize or they don't they see money for the thing. Then they won't take their way, and they won't go. They want to be there, they want to be here, they want to be there, just in the name of funds. You go find and say, first of all, if how many weeks we'll get in a month? Some months carry 3, some carry 4. That week you don't use them party. The next week you don't use them travel. The next one you don't use them go just get a good time. Before you realize yourself, that month don't go. You don't get any content to post. You are not focused. Then if time reach to for location, then little thing can attract you, distract you. Small thing don't get your attention. It's very, very bad. Both for upcoming and for the way don't reach. It's very, very bad. You need to be focused in all these aspects. Then number 5, if you are not disciplined, if you are not self-disciplined, you can never succeed. Even if you don't see the money, you don't see the money. There are so many people where you don't touch money, where don't see wealth, where don't touch money. At the end, they go down. This one you must be a self-disciplined person. I repeat myself, you must be a self-disciplined person. Because you see this content where everybody won't go into content, everybody won't do content. The money is there, you will see the money. The influence is there. People go come, people left and right. And when we say God can't help you, can't blow your cover, you can't be well-known person. Hey, you know if you work out for street peacefully. But if you are not disciplined, you will be distracted. Come here today, come here tomorrow, and let's see. You will be distracted. But if you are focused, no matter the call, no matter the demand, no matter the pressure, you will keep to it. You will definitely keep to it. So, if you're an upcoming content creator, the one that is up there, this one, I'm not just doing it for upcoming content creator. Every time upcoming, no. Good for you. Because I see most of celebrities, most content creators that has made it that their account is monetized. But if you go to their page, if you look when they post last, just in a month they post one video. Some after many months they post. Not being focused. Because they just feel relaxed, say the money don't come now. Anytime they post any small way they just go live their normal life. So this goes to all content creators.